y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Morgan and I'm so happy that you're here. It's been a hot minute since I filmed because, as many of you know, we've been moving and things got real crazy and real busy, but I'm so happy to be back and filming again. I figured what better way to come back than make a bathroom unpacking and organizing video. We have been living with all of our stuff in boxes on the counter, as you can see, and I just could not take it anymore. And of course, I have like 5 boxes filled with stuff, and Jake has about 5 things that he's already put into a drawer. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I unpack all of my stuff and then organize it into our drawers and cabinets. Plus, can I just tell y'all that I only spent about $12 on all the organizers that I'm going to use in today's video. 2 of them came from Target and the rest are from the dollar store. Moving is not cheap, so I had to find inexpensive ways to organize our things without breaking the bank, and I love how everything turned out. So as you can see, right now I'm just taking everything out of the boxes and organizing them based on categories. First, I'm separating my lotions and body products, and then I'll separate my face and hair products. While pulling everything out, I was reminded what I had, and it also gave me a chance to throw things away that were either empty or things that I just don't use anymore. And now I'm just taking one of these boxes that I already had. I think I got it from Home Goods a couple years ago, and I'm just putting all my lotions and body products in there. And then using another one of the same containers, I'm putting all of my hair products on one side and all of my face products on the other. And then I'm taking this over the door hanger and I'm putting all of the things that I use every single day, things that are too big to go inside the drawer. Now I'm using the organizers that I got today. The clear one with the 6 dividers is from Target and it was only $5.99. It's perfect because these drawers are huge and I needed something that would organize everything in one place. And the rest of the dividers are all from the dollar store. The dollar store has some really awesome options when it comes to organizing drawers and cabinets. Plus, you can't beat the price. So as you can see, I'm just trying to figure out where everything fits. It's a lot of trial and error, but it's so worth it when it's finished. I love how clean and organized it turned out. And here I'm just trying to figure out the best way to put my hair products. I figured this little basket holding the brushes that I reach for every day was perfect. And then I put my travel straightener in there as well. And then I took all of my travel makeup bags and put them in my large bathroom travel bag, and everything fit perfectly. Now I'm just going through and reorganizing our travel size products and putting them in a basket where they stand up so we can see everything that we have. I love having this extra cabinet nook because it's the perfect place to store my makeup, and I love getting ready there in the morning. And then looking at everything that I did, so this over the door hanger holds things that I use every morning, like my toner, my body spray, my deodorant, my face wash, things that I grab every day and need to be able to get to easily. And then in this basket on the left are my hair products and then face products that I don't use every day, like scrubs and masks. And this little container is just miscellaneous things like nail polish remover, some body scrub, as well as a Glam Glow face mask that got lost when I put it in the big container. And then the bin on the right holds all my lotions. And then moving on to my drawer, I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss together, my nighttime moisturizers, and then next to it I have my daytime moisturizer, as well as my antibacterial lotion, my vitamin C serum, and my exfoliant. Those three I use morning and night. Then I have my eye serums with a couple of extra toothbrushes in the back. Over here I have my makeup removers, my Clarisonic, as well as my favorite face mask at the moment, the Boscia, I'm probably butchering that, luminizing black charcoal. It's incredible. I put all of my cotton rounds in a little container. Next to that, I have my Eradicate acne treatment, as well as my favorite hand scrub and lip scrub together. I separated my contacts to make it easier to get to in the morning. In the back, I have my shower cap and a travel bag. And as you can see, I obviously organized Jake's just like I organized mine. I know I already talked about this drawer, but I put all my brushes in a container together. Next to that are my hair products with my travel bathroom bag and then my travel holders for my products. This little nook holds a bin with all my makeup, and next to it is my mirror, my beauty blender, and my makeup brushes. And my favorite monogram towels that we got from our wedding. Are they not the cutest? In this cabinet, I have all of our cleaning products. This little container holds all of our glass cleaners, and then next to that is a bin with all of our medicine in it. Above that are our towels, this little drawer that holds all my hair products. Behind that is our container with all of our travel products that I organized earlier, and this bag is for when we travel. It holds my makeup brushes. This gray bin is just random stuff that did not have a home, like extra contact lenses, a steamer, a lint roller with a loofah stuck to it, some Febreze, and some white strips. So very random, but you know what? It works. And everything fit in the cabinet perfectly, and I love it. And that's going to do it, you guys, for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys got some motivation or inspiration to organize your bathroom or just clean and get rid of things. It feels so good to have everything in its right place and be able to find what you need when you need it. So again, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you guys leave so you guys don't miss out on my future videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!